were making donuts. And it's gonna be dipped in chocolate and sprinkles. Yum. Oh, Erin. Hi, Erin. Hi, everyone. There we go. Now sprinkles. Wow, here's a donut. And here. You want sprinkles? Erin. Now I'm gonna grab another donut. This one. Cover it with chocolate. And now I'm gonna dip her in this sprinkles. Wow. Erin, put some sprinkles on your donut. Sprinkles. These on